This is Transdermal Magnesium. This I'll spray on my body often, especially after I'm very active, and I rub it in. It's called the Fascia Blaster. It's like 20 bucks on Amazon. And there's different sizes, so what you can do is you can rub out the tightness in your muscles. So for example, a lot of us are really tight in this fascia line. So you can just roll out, rub out, wring out the knots and the hindrances in your fascia, because it's all one fascial sheath. It's connecting from your fingers all the way here, all the way up your front line, etc. So you can just kind of begin to self-massage yourself. And a couple minutes a day of this adds up big time. I'll get back to you in 10 years and I'll show you. But gosh, even a couple minutes will decompress a lot of things. So like yesterday I was in the gym and I was lifting the chest, so my chest is a little tight. So now I'm wringing out my chest with the Fascia Blaster. And it's great for people that type a lot. If you type a lot, you can wring out your forearms. If you're texting a lot, you can open up your hands, your fingers. You can massage all the intricate muscles in your forearm, underneath, and on top. And it's just a great tool. It moves lymph, moves blood, opens the fascia, supples, creates suppleness in the body, removes acids, waste. And when you take care of your tissue over time and you have healthy tissue, it not only detoxifies more efficiently, but it heals more efficiently, and you can get a lot longer on your body without as much wear and tear or as much soreness after, say, like a 10-mile hike. So that's what I do. Hope this inspires and educates you to take care of your vessel. Well, this vessel is carrying you throughout your life, so treat it well.